Well, hello guys. This is your girl Tammy here, and I have a surprise for you. You guys, welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. Your girl is excited. I am off work today, so I am here all casual. Look at me wearing my Kato jewelry. You saw this. So anyway, I'm gonna go off to my store on my off day because officially it's not mine yet, and it will be on Sunday. I'll be taking this store over on Sunday as the manager, as the leading manager. And I'm excited. So I want to do a walkthrough on my day off because I probably won't be able to do this again. And I want to show you a little bit around about the store. And eventually I will be continuing to do shopping hauls from there, as well as outfits of the day and things like that. But I want to show you what Kato has to offer. Those of you that has never been in a Kato store, this is a great opportunity to see what the store is like. I'm going to give you just a little bit. But anyway, you guys, I'm super excited to share this video with you. So if you want to come and see my store and my place of work, you are welcome to tag along. Let's go have some fun. You ready? Let's go. This is a tube dress. This is not Kato attire. And it's not work attire. I've had this a long time, and I think I got this from boutique shopping or thrifting. And so, yeah, 4 years ago. I've had this for 4 years. At one point, it got too little. Now I'm back in it. So I'm really super excited to be wearing this dress for you today. But anyway, this is my dress. Okay, you guys, this is my store. This is the store that I will be managing for Kato. I am so excited. I've been with the company for 9 months now. Hi, you guys. This is your girl Tammy here, and I want to welcome you to my Kato store. This will be my first week in Kato, and I'm excited to tell you I have my own store. I'm the store manager of this location. So come along, let's see what's in here. Right away when you walk in, we have a nice impact zone, really pretty. Of course, the girl styled this herself, and I really love it. This is a great feature. The skirt, nice, super nice. And you see the colors are yellow and gold for the fall. It's coming in, but we're still featuring summer items as well. Over to your right is our plus size department. Over to your right is our plus size department, and I'm going to take you in. We currently did a huge markdown, so it's going to be so many items that are marked down. So we're waiting on that huge big truck on Monday. Hopefully it's going to be a big one because our shelves are getting empty because everything is on the clearance rack there now. Here is our dress floor. It's very beautiful. Don't you just love leopard? You know leopard is a fashion that you never go with. It's so fancy. Okay, for copywritten reasons, I'm going to have to do a voiceover because the music started playing. There's my daughter. She's being my cameraman today, which I never really have any help with the camera. But I love this shirt. You have to see it in person. It's new. It just came in on Monday, so you have to check it out. I absolutely adore it. As you see, she's giving you a wide overspan of our plus size department. This is just one side of the store, you guys. Constantly on clearance, so you can just come through here and just help yourself. We have more clearance on. We have more. Matching panties. Okay, you guys, so as much as I want you to hear my voice, I had to do a voiceover because of the music in the background. I wanted to share with you that Kato do sell white with shoes, and their sizes start anywhere from a 7 all the way up to an 11, but you can get half size online as well as a size 12. We also can order in the store for you and have it shipped directly to the store for free shipping. So it's best to come in, try on a shoe. If you like it and you need a different size, we can order it for you if we don't have it on the shelf already. Their new soles are so comfy. They have this new comfort shoe line that they made and created this year, and all the shoes are super, super comfy and full of padding. So that's one thing that I love because your girl's on her feet all the time, and I have to have comfort on my feet. Even our wedges, those heels, they are super, super comfy. Everybody that tries them on does not expect it to feel the way that it do because it's so comfortable. I absolutely love this style with the leopard. It's very, very, very cute. Leopard is a shoe that will always come back in every year. And leopard just don't go out of style. Animal print don't go out of style. The Birkenstocks, we have the Birkenstock style shoes as well, and they come in black, gold, champagne silver, and white. Like I said, animal print do not go out of style. Here is some snakeskin. These are new. They just came off the shelf, so I haven't really seen those yet because I'm still in management training and I can't wait to start my first day. I absolutely love this shoe. It is super, super comfortable and looks so classy on your feet. You guys, now we're in the clearance jewelry department, and jewelry for clearance starts anywhere from 99 cents on up. So all these items are on clearance and they'll continue to get marked down every month until they're sold out. My favorite jewelry item is the inspirational. They have very meaningful messages on all the jewelry, just super, super pretty. They make great gifts as well as something for you to have to keep you motivated or to keep your mindset strong throughout the day, just to think about the message or to be reminded of what's for you is for you. This one right here is a choker and it looks so good on. It's a piece that I definitely got to put in my collection. I don't have it yet, but I'm definitely going to get it. Now, some of the pieces that you saw me do in my video, my jewelry pieces, are on this wall. I purchased it from my last Cato store that I worked at, but I cannot wait to start shopping in my own Cato store. This is so gorgeous. Look at the beading. Look at the wood beading. I love jewelry like this one. You don't ever have to worry about it changing colors and things like that. So it's like a safe way of having forever jewelry in your closet. I'm over in the earrings section on our spin wheels, and you can see some of those earrings. You saw them in my last video. They are gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And you guys, thank you for not judging me for a no makeup day, a no style day. I'm just out being me, being casual, and it's too hot to put on all that foundation. And I love this brushed nickel finish jewelry. Oh yeah, and all of our earrings are nickel free, so you don't have to worry about it if you have allergic reactions in the past with jewelry. You can be safe here. Cato spin wheels are very organized by color. So if you want all silver, it's all silver. You want all gold, it's all gold. You want pearls, it's pearls. You want rhinestones, we have rhinestones. And yeah, see how pretty? And we even have rose gold. So you can have a large choice of rose gold as well as gold. And don't forget to check out Spin Wheel clearance earrings. Again, they start at 99 cents and up. We have our selection of pearls. All of our jewelry is styled by the name and the department. So this is our display cabinets to help you, guide you on what's new, what's trending, and more jewelry, even rings. We sell sunglasses as well, and you should definitely come in and check those out. Handbags, hats, wallets, trending sportswear, you name it, it's inside of Cato's. We can order whatever you need that's on our floor or in different sizes, so don't ever worry about that, including perfume. All right, if you're new to my channel, you guys, don't forget to subscribe and like, comment. Check out some of my old videos. If you're here for DIYs and home decor, please go and check out my playlist. I have a bunch of things in there for you. So we have it all here, and we're going to be bringing back fashion into this channel too. So let your girl know if you're interested in that, and do leave a thumbs up if you are. All right, love you guys.